Hold on to your hats, folks, because what I'm about to show you is going to completely change the way you think about sedans. We're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Ford Taurus Hybrid, and trust me, it's not what you expect. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the 2025 Ford Taurus Hybrid. Now, I know what you're thinking. Taurus, isn't that like old news? But trust me, Ford has completely reinvented this classic, and the Hybrid version is a game changer. We're talking sleek new design, impressive fuel efficiency, and a whole host of tech features that will blow your mind. First off, let's talk about the aesthetics. Ford has ditched the boxy look of the past and opted for a more streamlined, modern design. The front fascia is aggressive and eye-catching, while the rear end is clean and sophisticated. Inside, you'll find a luxurious cabin with premium materials and a minimalist layout. But it's not just about looks. The 2025 Taurus Hybrid is packed with technology. Think massive touchscreen displays, advanced driver assistance systems, and seamless smartphone integration. We're talking about a car that's not only stylish but also incredibly smart and safe. The hybrid powertrain is where this Taurus really shines, promising exceptional MPG figures and smooth, responsive acceleration. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details. The 2025 Ford Taurus Hybrid boasts a powertrain that combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor, delivering a perfect blend of power and efficiency. While Ford hasn't released official horsepower and torque numbers yet, rumors suggest it will be competitive with other hybrids in its class. One of the most exciting aspects of the new Taurus Hybrid is its fuel economy. Early estimates point to impressive MPG figures, potentially making it one of the most fuel-efficient sedans on the market. This is a huge selling point for drivers who are looking to save money at the pump without sacrificing performance. Beyond the powertrain, the 2025 Taurus Hybrid is loaded with features. We're talking about advanced safety systems like automatic, emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The infotainment system is also top-notch, with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a premium sound system. Comfort features include heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Ford Taurus Hybrid is shaping up to be a serious contender in the sedan market. With its sleek design, impressive fuel efficiency, and advanced technology, it's a car that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a stylish commuter car or a comfortable family sedan, the Taurus Hybrid has something to offer. Of course, we'll have to wait for the official launch to get the full picture. But based on what we've seen so far, the 2025 Ford Taurus Hybrid is definitely worth keeping an eye on. The projected price point also places it strategically against competitors, potentially undercutting